On the last day of Assembly session, state government passed 7 demands for grants with no opposition MLAs to move policy cut motion as 5 Congress MLAs choose to abstain the House. Earlier, Speaker of the House drew the attention of the members of Legislative Assembly to keep their observations on the proposed demands. SKTV's chief reporter Katrimayum Premchand brings you on more of this.
Today, on the last sitting of 6th session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly, 7 demands were passed without a single policy cut motion. These demands include education, KFNPD, Panchayat, water resources, horticulture and soil conservation, science and technology, and economics and strategy. The total amount of the demands exceeded rupees 4,288 crores. With the opposition MLAs absent, the Speaker invited observations from the members, but none were given, leading to the demands being passed without any intervention.